The question is find the least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10, both inclusive. So we know that the least number that is divisible by A and B. A and B is the LCM of is equal to LCM of AB. So okay, right? If you want to find the least number which is divisible by 2 and 3, then how we can find the LCM of 2 and 3 equal to LCM of 2 and 3 equal to 6, right? If there is no other number other than 1 is the common factor, the product is the LCM. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So 6 is divisible with 2 and 6 is divisible by 3 also. So to find the number which is divisible by A and B, what is you can write, which is the LCM of A and AB. Clear, right? The same way we have to find the LCM, find the least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10. So we have to find the LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 10. Clear, right? So what the factor of 1 is 1 itself, and 2 is 2, and 3, if you factorize 3, 3 is the factor, right? 4, then it becomes 2 square. 5, it is 5 only. 6 is 2 into 3. 7 is 7 only. 8 is 2 cube, and 9 equal to 3 square, and 10 equal to 2 into 5. Clear, right? So what is the LCM of this number? The highest power of 2 is came 2 cube, 3 is 1, 5 is 1 time, 7 is 1 time, and 3 is 2 times, right? 3 is 2 times. In the factorization of 9, we have 3 square, right? So highest power of 3 is 2 times, and 7 also 1 time. Clear, right? So what is the value of this one? 8 into 3 square is 9 into 5 into 7. So 8 into 7 equal to 8 into 9 equal to 72 into 5 into 7, 35. Clear, right? So 72 into 35 will give 10, 0 balance 1, 36, 6, 21, right? So 0, 12, 2 balance 1, 4 plus 1, 5, then 2. Clear, right? So the answer equal to 2520. So 2520 we can divisible by all this number 1 to 10. Okay.